I think I would start with, let's talk about your hazard assessment and risk analysis. Let's start with your library of safety data sheets. What chemicals, what are used the most often? And let's look at the hazard assessment and the risk analysis that you performed. And was it adequate? That, I think, is the place where I would look first, because once you've identified the hazards, and once you've assessed what those hazards are and determined what the risks are associated with each one of those hazards, then you can look at your hierarchy of controls, which I think is often overlooked. And what hierarchy of control did you decide to implement? Did you jump immediately to personal protective equipment? And if you did, that was probably a mistake, because there are other parts of the hierarchy of control that maybe we should have looked at, like, for instance, elimination or substitution. Why are we using this chemical when there's one that might do the same function for you with less hazards associated and lower the risk profile? If we can lower the risk profile by using the hierarchy of controls without jumping directly to PPE, we really eliminate a lot of that risk.